Let us have peas on earth, y'all. But this little dollop grows to about 8 to 9 inches tall at full maturity. Perfect for a kitchen garden, a windowsill garden in the house, maybe a pot garden. But what an awesome little thumb pea. Check it out, an heirloom treasure brought to the U.S. in 1854. She's one of the hardiest cold variety peas. A super small pea was the Landreth Seed Company back in 1854. They brought this baby over from Europe. And ever since then, she's been here in the Americas, just making people happy, happy, happy. Check out all these fat little peas coming on the little mini thumb. But this one right here is just perfect for the kitchen garden. Oh, I'd say to marvel on this pea, she's quite a bit more frost hardy than most other varieties of peas. And because it's so short, such a tiny pea, you really don't have to stake it or grow it up a trellis. She's magnificent. Get yourself some thumb pea seeds today. Find us here at RareSeeds.com.